So here we are going to learn about the magic of addition, or we can say it as we are going to learn about the properties of addition. Let us see. So our first property is adding 1. When 1 is added to a number, the answer is the number that comes just after the given number. Let us understand this through an example. So, for example, I have a number 6 and I want to add 1 more to it. So, as per the property, when 1 is added to a number. So here 1 is added to which number? 6. So what is the answer? Answer will be the number which comes just after the given number. So what comes just after 6? What comes just after 6? Any guesses, children? After 6, what comes? 7. Very good. So, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Let us see another example. So, now my number is 4 and obviously my addend will be 1. 4 will be my origin and 1 will be my addend. So, if we add 1 to 4, so what comes just after 4? Very good, children. 5. So, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Understood? Let us discuss another property, adding 0. When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. Let us understand this through an example. I have 5 with me and I will add 0 to 5. So, we can say 5 is the origin and 0 is the addend. So, bigger number here is 5. So, if we add 5 with 0, what we will get? The number itself. So, our sum is 5. Okay? Let us see another example. So, I want 6 plus 0. So, 6 plus 0, what will be the sum? The number itself. So, the sum will be 6. So, 6 plus 0 is equals to 6, the number itself. Third one is order in addition. If we change the order of the numbers, the answer does not change. Let us understand this through an example. So, first one is my occupant is 3 and plus 2 is equal to, we will solve it, and here we are going to change the order. So here we took 3 as our origin and 2 as our addend, but now what we'll do? We will take 2 as our origin and plus 3 will be our addend and equal to. Now do you think children the answer will be same or different? Let us find out. So first one, 3 plus 2. So what we will do? We will hide the bigger number. So 3 we have hidden. So 3 in my mind and 2 in my fingers. So after 3 we will count 4, 5. So what is our sum? Our sum is 5. Now let us solve this one. Here our adjoint is 2 and our addend is 3. We have changed the order. So now 2 we will hide the first number, that is again we will hide the bigger number over here. This is 3, bigger number. So we have hidden this. So after 3 what comes? 4, 5. So what is our sum? 5. Are these both answers same? Yes. So if we change the order of the numbers, the answer does not change. So whether you do 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, answer will be same. Let us do one more example. So our another example is 4 plus 5, and after changing the order it will be 5 plus 4. So what will be the sum? So here what is the bigger number? 5. 5 is the bigger number. So we will hide the bigger number. And 5 in my mind, 4 in my fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will be the sum? 9. Now same way we are going to do it for this one. So here again we will hide the bigger number 5 and 4 in my fingers, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the sum? 9. So now you understood children, whether we write 4 plus 5 or we write down 5 plus 4, the sum will not change.